Jen. I'm interested in seeing how this beach has changed between the 24th of January 2024 and just 4 days later on the 28th of January. Perhaps you can see slight changes as I've flicked the second data set on there. But what I want to do is have a look at the shape of the beach and see if that's indicative of any erosion or deposition. So what I'm going to do first of all is to draw a couple of lines. I'm going to use the line tool and come across here and draw a profile across this part of the beach. Now for consistency, to make sure that I have lines that are of the same length and the same direction, I'm going to use Control-C on my keyboard and then Control-V to paste that line. So the top line I'm going to call north, and let's call the bottom line here south. Now what I want to do is to move that south line down south. So let's click on this down here, and I'm just going to grab that and move it somewhere down around about there on the beach. Now what I want to do now, I have my lines. I'm going to look first of all at a profile of the pre-cyclone beach. So using Control on my keyboard to select both of those, use Command if you're on a Mac. I now see this button pop up here, and I can use Shift-T to access it quickly from my keyboard. So I'm going to click on that terrain profile button, and you can now see the shape of the beach, both in the north one and the south one as well. So what I want to do is to see how that beach has changed 4 days later. So for the second time, what I want to do is I'm going to click on the post-cyclone dataset and on the line, and then click on the terrain profile there. And I'm looking for these changes. So what you can see now is that the slope is a little bit sharper. So this indicates quite a bit of cutaway here from either storm surge or the cyclone itself. And we've also got something happening down in this one as well. So this is just one of the tools that you can look at using to monitor your beach and how its shape changes over time.